Gold and silver traded with a modest bearish price yesterday. Can we expect a recovery today, or there is a possibility of further bearishness? How to profit, where to buy, where to sell, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session and before the retail sales data released today. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end and do not miss to press the like button and do share and subscribe as well. This has always been a great motivation. Thus, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold here. The drop here was sharp. Then, since then, we have seen it retracing. It has shown a breach, but if you look at it, has failed to breach past the lows, previous lows, and it is still trading in this retracement channel, which is a sideways retracement channel. You can see the lows and highs here. Now, if you look at last highs and the last lows, you will find it is narrowing triangle. Thus, the breakout is what we should wait for. And for that reason, 2330 is going to be one important resistance zone on the upside today, which will confirm that whether gold is willing to break out or not. Any movement beyond 2330-32 zone and specifically beyond 2340 will definitely confirm that gold is trying to turn bullish, and then I will look forward to 2350, 2362.5 and plus levels. But right now it is not showing any such intention. Now look at the hourly charts for the recent time. Now see what has happened on the recent time frame. One sharp bearish candle was seen here. You can see this, and then it has erased all the losses. It has come at par with the previous position from which it is dropped. Now this is going to be the resistance which it needs to break, and this is going to be the next one. So yes, you can buy here at 2330 level. That will be the resistance it needs to break. And see, the moving averages here have started to diverge, and also you can see it has formed a very good support at 2318-20 zone. Stochastic is near to top. MACD here has crossed over, trading with little divergence on the hourly charts, and it appears to create another bullish wave. Let's see if it continues to diverge. RSI is rising. The signs are bullish here on the hourly charts. Coming to 2 look at the 2-hour chart. Similar observation here, bearishness, sharp drop, and see it has formed a very good support. Now see, none of the candles here have closed below 2315 level, so that has become another support level which it is not willing to break past by. So yes, this is going to be a zone where we have to be little extra cautious, though what I can see here is lower highs, higher lows, a range of consolidation. Second thing is, after the rise here, it is retraced and it can again look upward. So we have to wait for a breakout. The stochastic back to overbought. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is going to be a bullish cross. See the rise here, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, and it is waiting to take a flyer here. The RSI is almost flat, coming to 3. If you observe the 3-hour chart, see the crossover here was sharp, decline, and then traded sideways, a retracement, then again traded sideways. It is possibly looking forward to retrace a little further. If you connect the dots here, you will find this is nice flag formation. The highs of this channel at around 2360 zone. Now, if you look at the near term, you will find on the 3-hour chart, it is delivering higher lows and almost higher highs every time. So we have to wait for a clear breakout here. Any movement beyond 2330-35 zone should be a good sign for us. Stochastic rising. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for the buys. RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts as well, see one tail is formed, one flat base is formed, and it can try to give a breakout. Now see, whenever you see such consolidation and you can see a flat base, we have to wait for a selling entry. Specifically, it has to be a bigger weight or longer weight. If it draws below 2316-15 zone, then only we should treat this as bearish. So as long as 2316-15 zone is not taken, we have to be careful with the selling entries here. Stochastic rising. The MACD is almost flat, and yes, it is still in green. It is not yet crossed over, and RSI is running flat. Coming to day. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30-second mentorship batch commencing soon. 31st batch started last week. Register yourself now. In this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have developed with our years of experience, so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And those who just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals, you can highly profit. So reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can also join the recommended broker, as this is the time and this is the place where you can save much of your capital by paying lowest fees here. Yes, there are no swap fees, no hidden charges, and comes with the lowest spreads. The broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily. First, on the daily charts, you can find out there was a sharp drop here. A reversal sign was seen and a drop, retracement, and then the second major drop has appeared. Now, interestingly, with this drop, you can see this. You can observe this almost a flat base is formed, and from these levels prices are trying to retrace. That is the first observation. So on the downside now, 2300, 22 is the zone gold needs to break in order to confirm a drop towards 2250. If it is seen trading below 2280, stay short. We are going to look forward to a sharper decline towards 2250 40 zone at least. But right now it is not showing any such sign. Now if you look at the daily chart, what has happened on the daily charts? Price is a little divergent from the 20 period. Now see, 20 period moving average is proving out to be a greater resistance here. You can see the candles are not willing to stay above this. That is the first observation. Second here is look at the lows here. Higher lows are seen consistently. Lower highs, higher lows. Thus a breakout is what you should wait for. Now look at the last few candles. Lower highs beautifully aligned here. Today also it has started on a bullish note. It has started to trade upwards, but right now I can see it has to break beyond 23 30 32 35 40. This complete zone on the upside, and then 23 10 20, or this is the zone on the downside. Either which ways it breaks, it is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic is near to top. Look at MACD. This is interesting. See, MACD after the rise here has seen a sharp decline, retracement, and again a sharp decline. But if you notice, this wave is almost over, and a crossover here needs a stronger bullish candle which will confirm the reversal. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, ideally we should buy at 23 30 32 zone, but those who want to risk a little can buy at 23 26 28 zone itself. Wait for 23 30 32, then 23 35 36, and then 23 40 41.5. If these three levels and zones are taken, then we can say gold is running bullish, and we should not try to think of selling gold beyond 2340 levels. The next target is going to be towards 2350, and then I will look forward to 2361.5, 62.5, the next target levels. Beyond 2360 is where we can look forward for gold to erase these losses from this candle, which means it can head towards 2380. For today, it appears to be lesser probability for gold to move towards 2380, but these are markets. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend now is only 2318 20 levels, but below that also you should be cautious of 2314 15 first resistance, 2310 the next, and then below 2310 is where we can look forward to a major bearish move which can take the prices towards 2300 2290 192, and then 2290 192 2288, and then 2280. If you see gold trading below 2280, just stay short. We will look forward to 2250 40 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, after this decline here, it has been trading in this retracement channel, and now $29 levels, definitely, which have always been a great support. It is appearing to be a great support, and we can also see silver trading in this bullish channel. Now thus it is very very important for silver to trade below 2920 levels in order to confirm further bearishness. And yes, 2960 70 is the zone beyond which I will look forward to close to $30 levels, beyond which further bullishness should be taking it towards 3020 3050 levels. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It is forming nice waves here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trying to trade with slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour charts. What has happened here? The moving averages have started to converge, though they were not yet crossed over. Also, if you look at it, is trading in this bullish channel. The support at 2920 is going to be stronger. Next, if you look at the 2 hour charts, see the preceding two candles have come with almost double top levels, and that is where it is trying to retrace further. So possibility exists that below 2920 we can see more bearishness, more sharp fall, because what has happened here, the retracement is done, and now if it breaks 2920 $29 levels, this is going to be a sharper decline. Why? If you connect the dots, you will find the lower highs here, lower lows here. Where are the bottom of this channel? Almost at 22 28 50 47. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is trading with modest bullishness. The RSI is comfortable and almost flat. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts here. You will find the rise, the retracement, the rise, and slightly higher highs and higher. Also, if you look at the two candles, you can see it getting support at around 2940 levels, and then below the 2920 $29 levels is going to be the strongest support here. Stochastic is near to top. The MACD is in green. The RSI is running flat, and on the 4 hour. Now look at the 4-hour charts more closely. Look at the sharper decline and look at the range bound movement here. Almost trading in this slight bearish channel. Interestingly, you will find that $29 levels is a great support. Interestingly, you will find that if you divide this into two, eliminate this candle, you will find almost lower highs here. So it is very, very important for silver to break beyond 2960 levels, and then 2960 70 levels is going to be very good resistance. Beyond that, we can look forward to 30 30 20 and 30 50 levels. Stochastic near to top, MACD is in green, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts, now look at daily charts here. What has happened? A preceding candle was a swing candle closing in red. Today it is started on a bullish note. It has tried to move towards 20 period moving average, but getting resistance, it is trying to reverse. So what we can expect here is it may try to stay in range. It may try to move towards 29.28 best, and possibly 29.20, 29.60 is going to be the zone in which it may try to trade. Any move beyond 29.60 should be a good indication for the bulls towards 30 30 20 30 50 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen good enough bearishness. It is not yet converged or crossover. And if you look at the rise at the double top and then this retracement, almost a flat bottom is also observed. The RSI is almost running flat as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver. If you see it is staying about 29.60-70 zone, you can look forward to 29.85, $30 levels as the first target levels, and then 30.20-25 as the second. Beyond that, we can look forward to 30.50 as the third target. Right now, it is not showing such exceptional strength, but the data can do so. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 29 30-40 zone. Yes, you can sell here at 29.30 levels. 30.40 is going to be a very, very good support. Below that, 29 10 $29 levels should be the first target zone. Below 29 is where the bears will take over towards 28.75 and $28 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow today with the Asian with the US session update and before the retail sales data release. Do not miss to watch it. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.